Welcome to the Seattle Bird Podcast. I'm your host, Leo. This episode, our bird spotlight is on the dark-eyed junco. The junco is a medium-sized sparrow present in Seattle year-round. During the breeding season and summer, juncos are found in coniferous forests, primarily in Canada and on the Pacific coast. In the winter, you'll see them in more open habitats throughout much of the United States, often in larger flocks. Because most Americans see them in winter, juncos are nicknamed snowbirds. According to All About Birds, the total population of juncos in North America is approximately 630 million individuals. That's more than the number of pizzas eaten in the United States every 2 months. Juncos don't eat pizza, but instead eat seeds, rounded out with insects. During the mating season, you can hear males high up on treetops singing away, defending their territory from other juncos, according to Audubon. Junco is the Spanish word for rush, which doesn't mean hurry, but rather is a type of tall grass plant. Ironically, juncos are rarely found among rushes. Dark-eyed juncos have a lot of very different-looking subspecies throughout North America. In the northern Pacific coast, juncos are within a group called Oregon juncos. They have a black hood, pink beak, and brown back, fading to a white underside. In flight, they have their trademark white streak in the tail, which is a great way to identify them as they often flit around. A visit to Wikipedia indicates that there are 6 groups with 15 subspecies, and 8 subspecies in the Oregon group alone. Formerly, some of these groups were considered to be different species of birds, but were later combined into a single one. Junco hyemalis, the scientific name of the dark-eyed junco, means winter junco. In Seattle, I sometimes mistake them for black-capped chickadees. If you remember back to episode 4, black-capped chickadees are similarly sized birds with black heads, but black-capped chickadees have a horizontal white stripe around their heads, unlike the full black hood of a junco. Again, look at their tail in flight, as juncos have the unique white streak. The bird calls were recorded in the wild by Brian and Cameron. Research is by me and Brian. Our sources for this episode are All About Birds, Audubon, and Wikipedia. The audio editing is by me. The theme song is by Felix. I'm your host, Leo. Until next time.